Imagine this. You're sitting at your desk, browsing online, and suddenly it hits you. What if you could make money right now from your laptop or phone? What if you could not only earn, but also use that money to create even more income? Sounds too good to be true? Stick with me, because in the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how students like you can start making money online quickly and smartly. Welcome to MoneyWise, where we help you turn your dreams into reality. Hi everyone, welcome back to MoneyWise. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our growing community of go-getters. Today, I'll share 7 proven ways students can make money online fast and how to use that income to earn even more. Ready to change your financial game? Let's dive in. 1. Selling study notes. If you're already studying, why not make money from it? Platforms like Stuvia or Nexus Notes allow you to upload and sell your study materials to other students. All it takes is a little extra effort in organizing your notes, and you could earn every time someone downloads them. Think of it as passive income for your hard work. Here's a tip. Make your notes visually appealing by using diagrams, bullet points, and clear formatting. The better your notes look, the more likely they'll sell. 2. Freelancing. Freelancing is one of the fastest ways to earn online. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork let you offer services like graphic design, writing, or even data entry. Don't have any professional skills? No problem. Start small, build a portfolio, and watch opportunities pour in. For example, if you're good at writing essays or editing photos, you can turn those skills into cash. And remember, the key to freelancing is to deliver quality work and maintain good communication with your clients. 3. Online tutoring. Are you good at math, science, or any language? You can teach others and get paid. Platforms like Chegg Tutors and Preply connect you with students worldwide. Bonus tip. Teaching improves your own understanding of the subject while earning money. A win-win. What's great about this method is that you can choose your hours and work around your class schedule. Plus, the demand for online tutors is only increasing, so this is a perfect time to jump in. 4. Content creation. Have you ever thought about starting a YouTube channel, writing a blog, or becoming an influencer? Content creation takes time, but with consistency, you can monetize through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Pick a niche you're passionate about and start creating today. For instance, you can share your college experiences, study tips, or even a hobby like cooking or gaming. Once you grow your audience, brands will start reaching out to collaborate, and the earning potential is limitless. 5. Selling crafts or products online. If you're creative, sites like Etsy and Redbubble are perfect for selling handmade crafts or custom designs. Not into crafts? No worries. You can explore dropshipping through Shopify or Amazon FBA and sell trending products without keeping inventory. Here's a pro tip. Research what's currently trending and find a unique way to offer it. Whether it's personalized gifts or eco-friendly items, there's always a market for creativity. 6. Solving queries. Online, websites like StudyPool and JustAnswer pay you for answering questions in your area of expertise. Whether it's academic, legal, or technical queries, you can earn money simply by sharing your knowledge. Think about it. You're already good at solving problems for your friends and classmates, so why not get paid for it? The more detailed and accurate your answers, the higher your rating and earnings will be. 7. Investing smartly. Once you start earning, it's time to put that money to work. Use micro-investing platforms like Acorns or Robinhood to invest small amounts in stocks or ETFs. The earlier you start, the more your money grows over time. Remember, the goal isn't just to earn, but to multiply your wealth. And don't worry if you're new to investing. Many apps offer beginner-friendly guides and even automated options to help you get started. Leverage social media for extra income. Social media isn't just for scrolling and liking posts. You can turn your Instagram, TikTok, or Twitter account into a money-making machine. How? By promoting affiliate products or collaborating with brands in your niche. For example, if you're into fitness, you could share workout routines and promote gym accessories. Social media platforms reward creativity, so find your voice and start building a following. Participate in online surveys and microtasks. Websites like Swagbucks and Amazon Mechanical Turk pay you for completing simple tasks like surveys, watching videos, or testing apps. While these won't make you rich overnight, they're a quick and easy way to earn some pocket money during your downtime. Think of it as getting paid for things you're already doing online. Learn a high-demand skill. If you're willing to invest a bit of time, learning a high-demand skill like coding, digital marketing, or video editing can open up endless opportunities. Platforms like Coursera and Udemy offer affordable courses that can transform your resume. With these skills, you can freelance or even start your own business. So there you have it. 10 actionable ways to make money online as a student. But don't stop there. Take the first step today. Pick one method that resonates with you and dive in. And remember, the smartest way to make money isn't just about working hard, but working smart. At MoneyWise, we're here to guide you every step of the way. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on earning and managing money. Comment below which method you're excited to try, and let's keep the conversation going.